Alright guys, so this is again my iShow here. Okay. So I did go ahead and I tweezed the closure. You see that? That little space, I tweezed it. And this is me making the video of me cutting this into a bob. Now what I did wrong, and I recognize this 2 days after, is that I cut too much off at the back, as in I bundled too much hair in my hand. I should have left like a good amount of the hair sorry, uncut. So I twisted the hair so that when I cut it, it have like a layered effect. Let me tell you something. I watched these YouTube videos years ago. I didn't even rewatch to kind of refresh myself. But in the next clip, I'm actually going to be turning up the brightness on my camera so that I can get a better picture of it. So I'm going in with my flat iron again that I used in the previous video for you guys. And then I'm just kind of bending it under. I don't want it to remain straight. I'm just bending it under, you know. So yeah. I just feel kind of handicapped with this video because I'm like, I don't know what to do, but I know I wanted to do a bob. I know I wanted to do it by myself. The next time I do a bob, because I'm going to do another bob, sorry for the autofocus, I am actually going to be doing it a little bit different. So here's the sunny ass clip that I told you guys about. So I'm actually going to cut down on a diagonal as I'm doing. I'm sorry for being out of focus. As you can tell, I'm so focused on what I'm doing. I didn't know it was being out of focus. So what I actually did is I cut on an angle from where the bob ends. So where the bob ends, right there, I'm cutting on an angle and I'm cutting going down on that on that angle. And then what I kept on doing was I kept on curling it so I could see kind of where the hair fell, or where the hair would eventually fall, you know, once I have the wig on. So I kept on curling just to basically see where I was, because I ain't no professional, you know. And I said this in the video, but I'm gonna say this in the voiceover: let your girl know what she needs to do differently, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I honestly, I don't know. Y'all can here to tell me, honey. Tell me what you think. So at the front, I did some layering at the front as well. You hear me? Some layering. Yeah. So I did some layering at the front as well. Oh, my throat. I did some layering at the front as well. Just to kind of frame up my face. Frame. I'm using all these technical terms because I'm a hairstylist, darling. I'm joking. But it's all I did, and I kept on curling. Oh, and I remember the tip from Rude Gal Shorty. She had commented this. I started curling under, and then I remember she saying must curl away from the face. I'm like, yes, I need to curl away from the face. So I went back in and I did what? Your girl curled away from her face. Well, the mannequin head's face. But yep, this is all I did. Oh my god. And I just kept on curling away from my face. And I hope you guys realize that I'm literally taking guys on me with this journey with me, you know, styling my own wigs, making my own wigs, perfecting my frontals. And I'm taking guys on this journey with me because a lot of us out there, we're not as good as how we see people do it on YouTube. I'm like, boy, if I could just do it, you know. And that's what I'm doing. So I would just recommend that you practice. Is me get some plastic ear and practice by some plastic ear. Alright, so let's see what this looks like on. I'm kind of nervous. I'm wearing this black, so it's not really showing up like goodly. I am not sure. What do you guys think? I wish I wasn't wearing this black thing right now, but I'm actually going to be going on the road. So, what do you guys think? Alright, so it's a little bit brighter on my face, but I want you guys to see the... Oh my god! Oh, this needs to be curled a little bit more away from my face, but whoa! Whoa, who's this hair diva? Yeah, I am not. I ain't mad. I ain't upset. I ain't bothered. I ain't nothing like that. I guess I can just curl all of these just hot away from my face. Whoa. And needs some more volume. Well, I think so. What do you guys think? At moment of truth, let me turn to the back. I don't know how the back stay because I'll be not facing it. This is how tall the front is, so the back is looking like. It looks horrible, I can bet. Oh my gosh. This side. For my first bob wig, right here, so right here, this closure, this is an issue. But then my first bob wig, this is not bad. You guys, this is not. Look how it's moving. iShow hair. What? This is not, depending on what the back looks like, I may have to go in and like snip the underneath hairs, you know, like that first track that you put down, like snip those. But baby, yo, I think this needs to be excuse me, curl a little bit more way. I'm really interested to see what you guys think. I'm hella interested. Let me know. The rude gal shorty, so I must always curl away from the face. Very good tip. That's what I've been doing. Let me know what you guys think. From iShow hair. Oh my gosh. I cut this into a bob. The girl is full of hair. So I'm gonna, and this is Jeremy's room, because I need to sweep this out. No. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. iShow hair, thank you so much for trusting me with your bundles. Ooh, I love just how like bouncy it is, you know. I love that. I love that. And I love how these curls are holding up too. Okay, this is my fix right here. So alright, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.